In a recent video, I spoke about how Lean Six Sigma and the Jack Welch philosophy of shareholder primacy and corporate priorities are destructive in the case of several formerly highly regarded U.S. corporations. In the comments, this led to a more general discussion of management fads versus sensible management frameworks. How do you tell the difference? My training work on Agile project management led me to think in depth about how to heal poorly managed projects. A common theme in such projects is that the coders thought Agile was a dopey management fad, and they had lost respect for project managers and the senior management above them. If you can't explain to intelligent and demanding team members why you're using the approach you're using, you have little hope of regaining their respect. If you Google around for the advantages of Agile, you get a lot of warm and fuzzy fluff about teamwork and collaborative decision-making. Well, your feelings, snowflake. There are much more concrete reasons to use Agile in software development projects. Software development projects lack strong dependencies between tasks, while at the same time, tasks are devilishly hard to estimate. The consequences of this are that the pre-agile tools that emerged from 1950s systems analysis didn't work well for software. They work great for complex projects with lots of dependencies between tasks and where individual tasks can be specified well in advance and good estimates can be determined for the task durations. Software tasks, on the other hand, are much less sensitive to which order you do them in, but are much harder to estimate. So if you use the tools for constructing a skyscraper for developing a software development project, you end up replanning and replanning and replanning, and that will drive you insane. Or you give up on the replanning and you put your coders on a death march to meet initial estimates. In an Agile project, you pile up a set of tasks and decide which ones you're going to do within an iteration, and then for the next iteration, you do that again and repeat until you're done. What this doesn't get you is a precise-seeming estimate of when everything is going to be complete, but you might as well give up on that because each individual task is so hard to estimate that a total estimate is going to be garbage anyway. Notice I did not say one word about teamwork or collaborative decision-making in telling you why Agile works better for software development projects. When you look at other management frameworks and systems, you can apply the same kind of reasoning. Strip out the warm and fuzzy bits. Are there concrete reasons these things work? Can you justify it without an appeal to authority? If you can't find better reasons than lots of people do it this way, be very skeptical.